Is your Windows 11 PC running slower than it should even after removing bloatware? What if I told you that several hidden background services are still running silently, consuming system resources and even collecting data in the background? In this quick guide, I will show you specific Windows background services that you can safely disable to boost system performance, reduce background load, and improve privacy without breaking your system. So let's get started. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc and then press Enter. This window allows us to control which services run automatically in the background. One service that constantly runs in the background is telemetry. Microsoft says this data collection helps improve the Windows experience, but many users prefer better performance and stronger privacy. Scroll down and find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Right click and then go to Properties. In Startup type, select Disable. And now apply and then click on OK. Now scroll down and locate Device Management Wireless Application Protocol. Right click and then select Properties. Now set Startup type to Disabled. And then click on Apply and click on OK. Now find Program Compatibility Assistant service. This service constantly scans apps for compatibility issues. If you regularly update your software yourself, this service is not essential and can slightly impact responsiveness. Then locate Windows Biometric Service. If you do not use Windows Hello such as face recognition or fingerprint login, then you should disable it. This reduces unnecessary background activity. Now locate Windows Error Reporting Service. This service sends crash reports to Microsoft. While useful for developers, but it's not necessary for everyday users. Find Diagnostic Policy Service. This service attempts to diagnose Windows issues automatically. If you are comfortable managing your own system or rarely use built-in troubleshooting, then you should disable it. It's recommended mainly for advanced or power users. Now we will use System Configuration to manage non-Microsoft services. Press Windows key plus R. Type msconfig and then press Enter. Now go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable all. Now apply and then click on OK. If any app stops working properly after restart, you can easily re-enable the service. Now choose Restart or Restart Later manually. A restart is required for all changes to take effect and properly optimize background processes. And that's it. You have successfully optimized your Windows system by reducing unnecessary background services, improving speed, responsiveness, and privacy. If this guide helped you, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe for more Windows optimization tips and tech tutorials. Your support truly motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.